On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm showing you how to make a healthy protein chia muscle pudding recipe to snack on while you're watching football. So before we head to the grocery store to pick up the ingredients, do me a huge favor and click the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed yet. We shoot episodes every week teaching you how to live lean 365 days a year. And while you're down there, don't forget to smash the like button and turn notifications on so you never miss a video. So there's nothing like huddling around the big screen with your buddies for football Sunday. Lots of laughs and of course, lots of foods and drinks. So unfortunately, if you're a big football fan, you probably spend a large portion of the day sitting in front of the TV while also indulging on unhealthy and fattening processed foods. However, here's the good news. For some of you, that's okay, as long as you've earned this cheat meal by sticking to your Live Lean workout program and meal plan for the week. You did that, right? Of course you did. However, what happens when the NFL Monday Nighter is on the next night? Do you watch the game while ordering more chicken wings and pizza? Well, you could, but I don't recommend it. Since you already had your cheat meal yesterday, which was football Sunday, and you're probably watching the Monday night game at home, I have you covered. Rather than binging on more unhealthy snacks, I want you to be proactive by making this delicious tasting protein chia muscle pudding recipe before the game. So here's how to make a healthy protein chia muscle pudding recipe. This recipe makes one serving. Here are the protein chia muscle pudding ingredients. 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk, 1 scoop of vanilla egg white protein powder, and I use a delicious egg white protein powder from my friends at Earth Nutri. You can get 25% off with coupon code LiveLeanTV25. There's a link in the video description below. The zest of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of your favorite berries, and 1 tablespoon of almonds. So here's your protein chia muscle pudding instructions. In a mason jar, add 1 cup of unsweetened cashew milk and 1 serving of vanilla egg white protein powder. Add the lid to the mason jar and shake to mix it together. Next, add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and shake to mix it all together. Using a peeler or grater, zest the skin of 1 lemon. Add the lemon zest, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup to the mason jar and shake it to mix it all together. Cover the mason jar with the lid and then let it set overnight in the fridge for the best results. However, if you don't have that much time, chill it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Once you're ready to eat it, remove the protein chia pudding from the fridge and top it with 1/4 cup of your favorite berries and 1 tablespoon of almonds. Take a bite and yell out in your most manly voice, "Damn, that's good! Gains!" So your protein chia muscle pudding nutrition facts per serving: 465 calories, 40 grams of protein, 39 grams of carbohydrates, and 16.5 grams of fat. So bottom line here, Live Lean Nation, you guys know that I love my cheat meals. However, if you already had your cheat meal earlier in the week, this protein chia muscle pudding recipe is a healthy snack option to enjoy while watching football. And even if this lemon-infused protein chia pudding is delicious, if your buddies ask you what you ate during the game, you can simply call it muscle pudding. Gains! So I encourage you to share this healthy snack recipe with them as well. Who knows? Once they taste it, maybe they'll love it and ask you to bring that muscle pudding to the next Sunday's game day football party. So in the comments section down below, let me know, have you ever tried chia pudding before, and what are your favorite healthy game day snacks for football? Comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.